If you hate marketing, this is for you. No, but really. So Google, yes, Google just released a free to use website called Pomeli, which you can insert your branding stuff and it creates marketing for you. So if you have an iOS app or a business or you have like a small something or it's like just something you need to do marketing for and you hate doing marketing, this is going to be an amazing banger short video for you because it's really easy to use. So go over to here, go to Pomeli, Google Labs, sign in or whatever, and then press let's get started. Let's get started, guys. This is going to be dope sauce. So how to use this is very, very simple. You just put in the images of your stuff. So you can see here that this is my iOS app that I'm working on. It's like a Quran reading app, and it's live on the iOS App Store. We'll see about that if they let me in. But you just paste a link to whatever your website is, and then if you want, you can post a bunch of new pictures in here as well. So you can see this is my logo. These are screenshots that I'm using. I'm actually going to add some pictures here just to make life easier. These are all the App Store pictures, like when you go on the App Store and you see it, these are the pictures that you see. So let's add these because those are pretty relevant information. And again, this is fully free to use. It's from Google, so go use it. Even if it ends up being bad, don't worry about it. Let's set it to story for 9:16. Let's do product again. If you want to, paste your link in here. You should definitely do that. And now let's say, so my thing is like a Quran app. So if you're Muslim, you want to read the Quran. Right now is also Ramadan. I'm fasting. So let's say Ramadan-based marketing for 30-day finish the Quran challenges. All right, so let's see what it makes here. So based on the material that you gave it just now, it'll make a bunch of marketing. So you can see here that this is one thing that it made before. It's not bad. Like, this is something you don't have to do anymore. This is not the greatest. It's not going to replace your graphic designer, nothing like that, but it's not bad. Like, this is a screenshot that I gave it. It made this coloring around it. It gave this, and you can just like save this. At the end of the day, it's all free, so why not? Again, this is pretty ugly. It's not the best in the world, but that's okay. Not all of them are going to be bangers. Videos are actually really good. Making videos sucks. It's so boring, so annoying. You don't want to do that. So make a very simple one like this, where there's a little light. It shines. It rotates the phone around with whatever screenshot you put on there. I mean, that's like really good. It's free. You can just download it. Okay, so these are the ideas that it generated. Let's do finish the Quran in 29 minutes. Definitely can't do that. Let's press this one. So now, using all the information that I give it, it's going to make a campaign. A campaign is based on the idea that you gave. So this is a Ramadan-based campaign. So that's what campaigns are for. You know, anything you want, you can make that for. So this is the image that it made for us. This is actually really pretty. Finish the Quran, distraction-free. Again, usually when you use this AI stuff, it's pretty ugly and the text isn't readable. But I don't think it's using AI for the text because it looks pretty good. I'm not going to lie. And if you go here, set your 30-day goal. Not bad. Not bad at all. And if you go here, integrated prayer times, that is true. You can see them here. And if you go even lower, 114 surahs, always ready, deepen your understanding. This is really good, really free marketing. And with this, you can enter it into Canva and make it even better if you really want to. And once you fed it the link, which is my link right here, it'll make you a business DNA. In here are all the images that you can upload more to and all the colors and taglines and brand values, etc. that you can edit, and it'll use to make whatever it is that you want to make. And the craziest thing here is that if you have an actual product, which I don't, and that sucks, you can plug it into people and use it here. So let's get an actual product here. Let's use, I don't know, this. We'll just put our logo for now. And let's see the photo shoot templates it makes. Again, it's supposed to be for like physical stuff you hold in your hand, so this isn't going to be that good. What? Vegan soap. Let's do it. Create photo shoot. Okay, so somehow it's going to plug in my app logo into this. Don't know how it's going to work. Let's see. And while it's loading, allow me to just say that this channel has blown up recently. So everybody here that's new and everybody here that's watching my AI stuff, thank you. It means a lot. I've had this channel for a year now, and the growth that we've experienced in the past 2 months is more than the past 12 months or 10 months. You know what I mean? So if you're here, thank you. And if you're watching this new and you need help with anything sort of like AI or keeping up to date with tech stuff, this is the channel for that. That's all we do here. I actually lose a lot of money doing this stuff so you guys don't have to do it. And I'm on Twitter 18 hours a day finding stuff like this so you guys don't have to do it. So you should subscribe. We're trying to get to 60,000 subs by the end of 2026. I only have 1,500, so we're very close. We're getting pretty close in here. It's going to be really cool once we hit that. Hurry up, man. Okay, so it took like a minute or two, but it did load these. And these are not bad. This took our logo and it made it like super realistic, and you can edit it here even more if you want. You can also just download it if that's what you want to use. It knew it was a Quran app, so it gave a hijabi woman. That's great. Here, if you want, you can also swap the picture here. It'll look much better. Let's actually do that. Let's do this again. And with a different product image. Let's use this one here. Photo shoot templates. Let's use this one. This. Okay, cool. Create photo shoot. Let's give that another. Okay, it's done, and look, this is actually really, really good. No joke. Like, you could use this. I would use this. I'm actually going to download this and use this. Hold on. Let me steal that right there. And then the next one here is this. Again, it looks really good. A lot of these images, whenever you do it on Canva or you do it on like an AI thing, like Nano Banana, whatever it is, it's really not this good. But this is a banger. I don't know why you wouldn't use this. But yeah, you can do a lot more stuff here. You can do a campaign for anything that you want. You can do a photo shoot for anything that you want. I chose these specific things. But yeah, go to your business DNA, add as much stuff as possible here. Go to photo shoot, campaigns, whatever it is. Add as much stuff as you want there. Pretty self-explanatory. It's completely free to use. If you're doing anything with marketing and you hate marketing, you need mock-ups or product shoots or stuff like that, and you don't want to do that. I don't know who likes doing that. I hate doing that too. You should definitely be using this. And if you learned anything from this video, you should sub. If you don't, you should